In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase all your products right on the homepage of your Shopify store, ensuring your visitors can see everything you have to offer as soon as they land on your site. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Shopify store editor, a vital tool that allows you to customize the look and feel of your website. Once you're there, look for the Featured Collection block. If you already have one on your homepage, great. You're a step ahead. If not, no worries. You can add this block by clicking on the Add section option. The featured collection is essential for showcasing your products right at the forefront of your homepage. With the featured collection block visible, your next task is to click on it, which will open up the editing panel on the right side of your screen. This panel will present you with several options to customize your featured collection. Here, you can adjust settings, change styles, and ensure everything appears just right for your brand aesthetic. Now, you'll notice a drop-down menu present on your editing panel. This is a crucial component for the next step. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. By doing this, you'll bring up several additional options. Among these options, you will see one that says Replace. Click on Replace, and this will take you a step closer to displaying all your products. Once you've clicked Replace, you'll see a new list appear. From here, you'll want to select Products. This selection is key because it will replace the current featured collection with a listing of all the products you've added to your Shopify store. By doing so, every item you wish to highlight will now be showcased right on the homepage, making it easy for your potential customers to browse through everything you offer with ease. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your Shopify homepage to showcase all your products, enhancing the shopping experience for your visitors and potentially boosting your sales. Remember, a well-curated homepage can set the tone for your entire store, so make sure to revisit these settings anytime you add new products or want to highlight particular items. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Now go ahead and show off those fantastic products. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips on optimizing your online store. Until next time, happy selling on Shopify.